Hi, hello everyone. My name is Joe. Hope you all are doing well. This is a series of videos where we'll discuss questions very similar to Azure AI-102 certification exam questions. We'll go through these questions, discuss in detail each and every option and figure out the correct one. So if you're preparing for AI-102 certification, feel free to join me in this series of videos. A basic knowledge of Azure AI Services will be helpful for you to better understand these questions. To prepare for the certification, I watched one training and it was extremely helpful. Although you can watch any trainings, I would highly recommend this one. I'll provide the link of this training in the description box below. Now to the question. A leading online education platform, LearnGo, wants to create engaging video courses with personalized narration. They require a customized voice that resonates with their brand identity. The narration should be synthesized from scripted text. As a developer, design a solution using Azure AI Services to create a custom voice for LearnGo's narration, generate audio narration from scripted text. Now let us break down the question. What are the keywords present in the question? So there are two requirements stated in the question. One is to create a custom voice. Which Azure AI service should you use to create a custom voice? And the second requirement is to generate audio narration from the scripted text. Someone has to read or convert the scripted text into audio. So which service should we use for each of these requirements? That is the question. Now let us get into the option. Custom neural voice. Microsoft Bot Framework Composer, the Azure portal, the Language Understanding portal, the Speech Studio portal. So which service should we use to create custom neural voice? So what are each of these options? So what is Microsoft Bot Framework Composer? So it is primarily used to create chatbots. So that is not what we need. And the next is Azure portal. So we know what is Azure portal. It is a user interface to create all the Azure resources. The next is language understanding portal. So language understanding is for natural language processing, which is to analyze text for conversational language understanding, etc. So that is not what we need. And the fourth option is Speech Studio portal. Now what Speech Studio portal is used for? Let us see what is Speech Studio in the documentation. So Speech Studio is a set of UI-based tools for building and integrating features from Azure AI Speech Service into your application. So it is a UI-based tool and you can create project in Speech Studio by using no-code approach. Now, what all can we build using Speech Studio? So we scroll down here, we can say Speech Studio features. So we can create real-time speech to text, then batch speech to text. So we can convert speech to text using Speech Studio. Then there is custom speech and here it is custom voice. So what we need to create is a custom voice. So create custom one-of-a-kind voices for text to speech. You supply audio files and create matching transcriptions in Speech Studio and then use the custom voices in your application. So again, for generating a custom voice, we need to use the Speech Studio because it is the feature present in Speech Studio. Now let us get back into the question. So for creating a custom voice, which among these options should we use? So the correct answer is the Speech Studio portal. Now next, how do we generate audio narration from scripted text? So language understanding, as I said earlier, is for natural language processing, for conversational analysis, etc. And speaker recognition, it is for recognizing the speaker from voice. That is not what we need. Then to convert speech to text. So that is not what we need. What we need is to generate audio from text. So we need text to speech. So to generate audio narration from scripted text, we need text to speech. Now the correct answer to the question is to create a custom neural voice, we need the Speech Studio portal or the speech service. And then to generate audio narration from scripted text, we use text to speech feature. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. Thank you.